Hi guys, I'm Chef Pooja Dhingra. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been missing for a little bit. It was Diwali and work and just too much happening. But I'm back now with 3 exciting recipes. So welcome to my strawberry special series. Today we're making a no-bake strawberry cheesecake from my childhood. The first part of the recipe is our crust or our base. Now I like to grind my digestive biscuits to a fine powder like this. We're going to add a little bit of sugar, our melted butter, and mix it well. We're going to now transfer this to our ring. So I use a ring without a base, but you can use a spring-formed pan too. Spread the base evenly. And I'm going to set it aside. Now it's time to make our filling. The first step, I'm going to add cold water to our gelatin and let it bloom. Now to the cream cheese. I'm going to add the cream cheese to my bowl and start whisking it. Slowly add the condensed milk to this and continue whisking. And lastly, I'm going to fold in my whipped cream. More like whisk it. I'm going to whisk in the whipped cream. Our gelatin has bloomed. You see that? It's going to go into the microwave for about 14 to 15 seconds. Cool it slightly and then strain it into our mixture. And the most exciting part of this recipe, I'm going to add my chopped strawberries and fold it in well. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to transfer this to our mold. Level it out. And refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. When we pull it out of the fridge, take a knife, run it around the ring and demold it. Ta-da! You'll see some crumbs on the side which we'll clean up. We're going to decorate this with some whipped cream and strawberries. And we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.